What's her name?
Her name is Salvation Peter.
Thursday. It was really a black Thursday for us, residents of Wadata and Respi in particular. It was around 7:45 a.m. when we hear the transformer got busted. I started hearing shouts. After we now heard that some people were electrocuted. That's what happened on Thursday.
What was the cause?
The cause was the negligence on the part of the government of the NEPA. The NEPA people have been so loose, so lackadaisical in their approach toward the transformer issue. Anytime they come, they will just manage it and go. They will manage it and go until this issue happens. It's negligence on the part of NEPA, on the part of JED. They have not done their work properly. We have been reported to several times that number. And anytime they come, they go. The next thing they call a huge amount of bill. That we should pay higher bills, and they have not been doing anything to help us.
How many people are involved? How many people died?
6 persons died so far, and some injured. So I hospitalized.
On that day, we went to market. When we were on the bike, we had a call. When he had a call, upon receiving the call, the younger brother just told him that his wife is dead. I mean, the woman died. So when we rushed back home, we came to realize that it was an electricity problem. The current was so high that the stabilizer got burnt. While the stabilizer was on fire, she was trying to unplug her fridge from the stabilizer. Unfortunately, she got stuck with the fridge. So it was only children that were there. They could not rescue her, not until when elders came around before they unplugged the fuse from the meter. Then she fell down. When the doctor came, we brought doctor to come and check. When the doctor checked, then the doctor said there was no life in her body again. As a result of the transformer have been having problem for the past 3 to 4 days. So the transformer had problem a night before the incident. The NEPA were not aware of it, or I don't know if NEPA were aware of it or not. Suddenly when they restored the light back, then the appliances in the house started getting on fire. So the woman went on to unplug her fridge from the stabilizer that was on fire. Before we know, she got stuck to the fridge and she died.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.